already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia, and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, I'm actually going to be doing a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this jumbo goddess braid. And it's very easy to do, and I'm actually going to jump over into a voiceover, but make sure you check down below in the description bar for the details on this hair and the beads, everything it is that I used. And I actually picked up this very cute earring, so everything is just popping, guys. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Become one of my precious angels. If you are already one of my angels, you guys know I love you so much. And without further ado, let's just dive right into this video, girl.
About to leave.
Angels, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like to see more hair tutorials, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you go down and comment down below what you guys thought about this goddess jumbo braid, and let me know if you guys ever tried it. I think it's really cute. It's different. It's giving me a different vibe. Keeps getting caught in this earring. I wish I would have put the ponytail on this side since this earring is on this side. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe before you get out of here, and I will see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first, always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.